In this question, we've got 6,936 divided by 6. Because this is standard division notation, we're going to have to turn it into long division notation. So this division symbol will be represented by this long division notation. And when we have long division notation, inside we put the dividend, and outside we put the divisor. Well, in this question here, the first number is the dividend. So this will go right inside the notation. The second number in standard division notation is actually our divisor. So we'll take this 6 and put it right out here. Another thing students should do is they shouldn't put the numbers in the dividend too close together, because they're going to have to make sure they show a lot of work. So what's recommended is putting some space between each of the numbers. That's much better. And to be extra careful, I always recommend students also put lines between the numbers in the dividend. This way, they don't make any mistakes when they're doing their math. And now we can start dividing column by column. So how many times can 6 go into 6 without going over? Well, that would be 1 time. So we'll put a 1 here, because 1 times 6 is 6. Then I'll subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. And then I'll look at the next column and bring that number down. And then we'll repeat the process. So how many times can 6 go into 9 without going over? Again, that's just 1, because 1 times 6 is 6. Then we'll subtract what we have here. 9 minus 6 is 3. So I'll write 3 here, and then look at the next column and bring that value down. And then repeat the process. How many times can 6 go into 33? Well, that's 5. So we'll put 5 here, because 5 times 6 is 30. And we'll write 30 under the 33. We'll subtract this, and 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now that we're done subtracting here, we'll look at the next column and bring that value down. And then we repeat the process with this number, 36. And how many times can 6 go into 36? It goes in exactly 6 times. So we'll put a 6 on top of this 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. I'll write 36 here, subtract that, and our remainder is 0. Since our remainder is 0, and there are no more numbers to bring down, that means we're done. Making our final answer 1,156. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.